What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of MaidmentMadness. Now we are finally getting the bike back today and getting it back on the road. So it's a very early start, Sunday morning. We are heading to Henley-on-Thames for a good ride. We're going to meet some friends, check out their bikes, and yeah, see what happens. So keep you updated on the journey. Now before we get to Henley-on-Thames, we first have to go to a place called Rochester. So that's where the bike is. I'll go grab it. And something is telling me I forgot something. Now, do I go for a coffee or a beer? Well, either way, it's too late. I'm on the bloody train now. Right, finally made it to location 1. Short drive. I'm going to grab the bike. I've got 2 more bikes joining us today, which is cool. So we've got a Triumph Street Twin and an old CB Hornet. So yeah, it should be fun. Thankfully the weather's holding out, which is good, always. It's dry. Let's just hope when we get to Henley, it's alright, but we did have a lot of rainfall yesterday, so just have to take it easy on them country roads. But when we can, give it some beans. Right, we finally made it to our destination and finally gonna get back on the bike. So yeah, if you can't remember what it looks like, this is what we got. Here we go. It's actually been a few months since I've ridden this bike. I mean, main reason, work's just been insanely busy, so I haven't really got the chance to take it out after last episode. However, now it's a nice relaxing Sunday. We can take this bike out for a spin. Right, let's give this a first start. Right, 1 second, clutch in. Like, let's just give the exhaust another little blip. I've missed it so much. Here we go. Chee, babe. It's good, it's good. Right, enough playing around, let's go, let's get on the road. Right, so I'm gonna get suited and booted, let the bike warm up a little bit, and then we'll hit the road. So next time we will touch base is when we arrive in it's Mill Meadow car park down in Henley, so shouldn't take too long. And when we get there, I'll show you what the other bike is. It's an old classic, but well, it's like a modern classic, isn't it? Street Twin, it's lovely. So yeah, wish us luck, and we'll see you soon. Here we are then, arrived at our first destination, just for a nice pub lunch. Gone for like the biggest roast dinner you can have, which on a Sunday is kind of a British tradition. So yeah, this is the lineup that we've got for after lunch. We're gonna hit the road, nice twisties, country lanes. So of course, got the Yami in all its glory, followed by CB Hornet, beautiful. And then lastly, got the Triumph Street Twin, which is like just that. It's a modern classic. Love these bikes. Plus, I think if Yami did a seat like that one, comfort seat, I'll definitely take it. I mean, mine's all right, but could do a bit of an upgrade for longer trips. Now I'm gonna head back in on this nice sunny day for a lovely roast dinner. Once we find somewhere after lunch, do some flybys, that kind of thing, we'll show you how the Yami rides and all the other bikes, to be fair. Okay, so we've just ridden from lunch now to just a random car park, to be honest, about 40 minutes away. So for those who don't know, the modifications that I've done to this bike, of which you can find all the various episodes on the channel, I'll just give you a quick breakdown of what we've actually done to the MT-07. Right, so starting with the front, you've got custom clutch and brake levers, so they're just a standard black aluminium, and they are adjustable, which is good. Upgraded the mirrors. I've gone for the quadlock type setup. We've got a USB charger there, which is really handy, and it's waterproof as well to an extent. Coming around the front, handguards, so that just helps stop all the crap flying up, hitting your hands. They're actually really useful in the rain. Obviously the touring screen, so you can get various colours for this one. I just went for the dark smoke in this case. You can't really see it, but I upgraded the bulb to HID xenon, so it's got a ballast and it's much more much brighter. What else? LED sequential indicators. So these things are much brighter, and yeah, I really like the style when they're on. Coming around to this side, so obviously we've got the full, pretty much a straight through exhaust on this one, so it does sound amazing as you as you heard earlier. And then yeah, RNG right there. And I've also got these Givi racks. So if you want to mount any side bags, preferably like, I think with this design you just have soft panniers only, but you can get ones where you obviously mount a hard case, or if you take out this section here which kind of joins the two, you can extend it out and have a top box on the back if you want. Heated grips, I think are a must-have. Well, they are for the people in the UK. I mean, when it's raining or in the winter when it gets really cold, definitely a must-have. And then lastly, yeah, the scottoiler system. I love this thing. I mean, I don't really top it up that much. If you leave it on like half or fully open, it's analog, so it will just it will flow down there onto the chain and keep it all lubricated. Yeah, so that was just a quick rundown of the mods that we've done so far. Really liking everything, to be honest. This bike's turned out much better than I expected, and when you do it all yourself, except the exhaust, I don't know, it just makes it feel like a bit more your bike, if that makes sense. So now we're going to find a nice location to do some decent flybys, if we can, and then yeah, be heading on back to London. Touch base with you when we find a decent location. Let's go. Okay, so we finally made it back to London, safe and sound on the MT-07. So, like I said before, sorry for a long time to upload a video, but we got there in the end. It was only just a short little snippet, but I do have the bike now for a few weeks, so expect more content, probably more riding around London actually. I mean, just on the way back now, went past Buckingham Palace, it was pretty cool. So yeah, and you don't have to pay congestion charge, so it's a win-win. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.